Since 10 minutes, he's ignoring me.
America Sierra.
I'm trying to tell him that the frequency is in use.
Sierra, QRZ.
The frequency is in use, Alpha 61 Alpha Sierra. We're running this net from 2000 UTC till 2130 from Monday to Friday, and you're splattering right into us. Please QSY.
Italy Kilo 8. Italy Kilo 8. Go ahead.
Negative, there is no Italy Kilo 8. There's your friend Gunther asking you to QSY. The frequency is in use since 2000 UTC.
Yeah, Roger, your call Italy Kilo 8. Lima, Japan, America. QSL.
No QSL. That's your friend Gunther. You gotta listen to Uncle Gunther, and he's asking you to QSY because the frequency is in use. 14247 DXNet, Monday to Friday, 2000 UTC till 2130. So please QSY.
Italy, Norway 3. Italy, Norway 3. Go ahead. Italy, Norway 3. Yeah, Roger. Italy, November 3. Lima, Japan, Bravo. QSL.
I'm trying to tell him for 20 minutes to please QSY. He is not hearing me. Yeah, right.
1 second.
QSY.
November 3.